Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make fluffy slime. So the first ingredient you need is glue, shaving foam, water, activator and a spatula. You can use anything whichever you want. So first I'm going to mix my glue. Then I'm going to add a little bit of water in it. Now I'm going to add the shaving foam. So after the adding the shaving foam, you'll get a tutorial like this. Now I'm going to add my activator. I'm using borax here. I'm going to add little by little. You can get borax in any online store like Amazon and Flipkart, like anywhere wherever you want. You can also use liquid starch and baking soda, contact lens solution and many other things. So as you can see, our slime is coming up a little by little. You should mix until the tutorial is hard. So you can see my slime just come up. It's really very stretchy. Please subscribe to my channel. If you like my video, please hit the bell icon. If you want many more videos, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video. Bye. See you in my next video.